If you've been working on content, teams, or visuals, chances are you've seen both Miro and Canva pop up. They each shine in different ways, so today we'll dig into how they differ and help you pick the one that fits your workflow best. 1. Purpose and core strengths. Canva is primarily a design platform. It's built for creating visual content, social posts, graphics, presentations, videos. If you want to design something quickly with drag and drop, templates, and a strong brand aesthetic, Canva makes it easy. Miro, on the other hand, is a full visual collaboration workspace. It's built for teams who brainstorm, plan, map ideas, run workshops, or build complex flows together. Think infinite canvas, sticky notes, mind maps, and live team sessions. 2. Ease of use and learning curve. Canva is extremely approachable. For someone wanting to make visuals fast, graphics, posts, simple layouts, it's very intuitive. Miro offers more flexibility and power for collaborative work, but with that comes a little more to learn. If you're planning teams, maps, boards, workflows, it may take you a bit to explore. If simplicity is your priority, Canva wins. 3. Features and functionality. Here are some key differences. Canva. Lots of templates for visuals, strong design focus, built-in brand tools, easy export. Miro. Much broader for brainstorms and collaboration. Supports board templates for workflows, planning, diagrams, multi-user editing in real time, integrations with many apps. So if you need content creation and design, go Canva. If you need team collaboration and visual thinking across projects, go Miro. 4. Collaboration and team workflow. Canva allows collaborative editing of designs, shared brand assets, team design workflows. But it's mostly about design. Miro is built for collaboration from the ground up, multiple people editing the same board, brainstorming sessions, voting, comments, linking to tasks, etc. If your work is team-based and visual, Miro is more suited. Of pricing and value. Both tools offer free plans and paid tiers. Canva's free plan is great if you just need visuals and simple content. Miro's free version gives you boards and basic collaboration, but unlocking advanced board plus team features will cost more. If your team grows or your boards get complex, cost becomes a factor. 6. Which one should you choose? Choose Canva if you are primarily designing visuals, social media graphics, posts, videos. Need a fast, intuitive tool for brand-aligned design. Work solo or with a small team focused on content creation. Choose Miro if you work with teams, need to brainstorm, plan, map out projects visually. Run workshops or need an infinite canvas for visual collaboration. Want integrations and a workflow where many contributors participate. Final thoughts: neither tool is wrong. It's about what you need. If your workflow is design first, Canva is a great fit. If your workflow is visual collaboration, more teamwork, planning, Miro is likely the better choice. Try both for a week if you can. See which one feels more natural. If this comparison helped you decide between Miro and Canva, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tool reviews and productivity tips. Drop a comment telling us which one you're going to try, Miro or Canva, and why.